Self-centering vices are very popular in the industry. And Gintech's self-centering vices could be applied to professional industrial sectors. Among all the applications, especially 5-axis machining centers are the most common application cases. The advantages are illustrated as below. The fast positioning of shifting jaws assures that the jaws can rotate 180 degrees within flick of an eye. The clamping range can be expanded to the maximal 144 mm with larger model. If users need customized larger clamping range, Gintech can satisfy their demands. Normally, the clamping jaws of other brands need to be disassembled and loosen all the screws if users want to rotate them for 180 degrees. Use as reverse jaw for greater clamping range. However, with Gintech special design, the positioning steel balls, there is no need for loosen any screws to achieving jaw positioning shifting. Simply a flick of an eye. Patented fine-tuning construction design can achieve centering accuracy within 0.01 mm without loosen any fixed screws, but by adjusting the fine-tuning screws at sides and they will fasten automatically. Angle lock wedge patent promises no lifting during clamping, ensuring the best accuracy. Due to the design of angle lock, the workpiece lifting values during clamping can be controlled within 0.01 mm. Swing type patent grants good clamping force performance on those not parallel raw materials. In order to clamp firmly all the performs and the unparalleled workpieces, we adopt the single-side swing design and registered it as our patent. This solves all the technical issues on safe fastening. Standard hole sizes are compatible with various international zero-point positioning systems. The centering vices we made adopt international common scales on the positioning threads. Therefore, they can be connected with many international zero-point positioning systems.